Hello students, today we are going to solve question number 5 to question number 8 of exercise 11.1. Hope you have gone through the introduction and the first 4 questions of exercise 11.1. Question number 5 says the area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park. The area of a square park, this is a square park, let us imagine this is a square park, its area is equal to the area of the rectangular park. Next, if the side of the square park is 60 meter, now if the side of the square park they have given, one side of the square park they have given us, and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, and the length of rectangular park they have given us, then they ask us find the breadth of the rectangular park. Now they have given us one hint, area of square park is equal to area of rectangular. Also the side of the square park is 60 meter and length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. What we have to find? We have to find the breadth of the rectangular park. So we will let it as B. We will write like this, let the breadth of the rectangular park be B. Now according to the question, even in the first line they told us the area of square park is equal to area of rectangle. So I have written here area of square park is equal to area of rectangle. Also you know that area of square is equal to side square, that is side into side. A square I have written when I have given the formula, right? So side square is equal to area of rectangle is length into breadth. So what I will do, I will put the side is 60. So I will write 60 square is equal to length into breadth. Length is 90. So I have written 90 into breadth. Breadth is we have to find. So we will write B as it is. Now 60 square will give me 6 6 are 36 and the 0 2 zeros because it is squaring is equal to 90 into B. Now since we are supposed to find breadth, we will keep breadth as it is, and this 90 it will go that side and divide by 3600. 90 0 and 0 of 3600 cuts, 9 40s is 360. So the final answer is the breadth of the rectangular park is 40. What is the unit? Unit is meter. So this is our answer. The breadth of the rectangular park is 40 meter. Now moving to next question. The question says a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. The wire is in the shape of rectangle. Let me show you. This is the wire which is in the shape of rectangle, right? This is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter. That means this part, its length is 40 centimeter. If I draw here rectangle, it is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Breadth is 22 centimeter. Sorry, meter. All are in centimeter, I think. So if the same wire, now if the same wire is to rebend, first we will open it and rebend in the shape of square. What will be the measure of each side? Now each side of what? Definitely square, right? We are supposed to find. So what we will do? I will first open, because the rectangle is made up of the length of the wire, total length of the wire. So I will open it and we will rebend. So what I have written, now the rectangle which I have opened it is definitely a perimeter. This total length of the wire will be the perimeter of the rectangle, because it was rectangle first. So I have written that the total length of the wire which I have opened, that total length of the wire is equal to perimeter of rectangle. And what is perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into bracket L plus B. What is L? L is 40 centimeter, plus what is breadth? Breadth is 22. 40 plus 22 will give me 62. Now 62 2s will give me 124 centimeter. That will be the total length of the wire. Now if this wire is again bent and made a square, right? If it is again bent and made a square using the same length, then can I write that perimeter of the square is equal to total length of the wire, right? So same thing we will write, since the same wire is rebent to form square, then perimeter of the square will be equal to total length of the wire, the total length of the wire which was originally rectangle. And we have found what is the total length of the wire, 24. So now what is perimeter of the square? Perimeter of the square, we know the formula. It is 4 into side is equal to what is total length of the wire? We have right now found it is 124 centimeter. So 4 into side is equal to 124. Therefore, if I keep side as it is, this is in multiplication, it will go that side and divide. Now when you divide, I will cut 4 1s and 4 3s, 12 and 4 1s, that is 31 centimeter. So lastly we will write, hence the side of the square is 31 centimeter. Now one another question they had asked us, also find which shape encloses more area. Now we are having two shapes, one is rectangle, other is square. So we will find their area, respective area, and for that purpose I will take you to the next page. We will find now area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is length? Length they have given us 40 centimeter and breadth is 22. So I will write 40 into 22. 22 4s is 88 and this 0. So the answer is area of rectangle is 880 centimeter square. Now area of square, it is side square. And what is the side? We have right now found the side of the square is 31 centimeter. So 31 square is nothing but 31 into 31. 31 3s is 93, that is 930, and 31 1s is 31. So 930 plus 31 will give me 961 centimeter square. So finally they have told us that also find which shape encloses more area. For that purpose I have written already area of a square shape. You can see square is greater, area of square is greater. So we will write area of square shape is greater than the area of rectangular shape. You can also write in words is more than the area of rectangular shape. Now moving to the seventh question. Seventh question says the perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. That is the length of the boundaries. The total length of the boundaries is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter. Find its length. Now they have given if the breadth is 30 centimeter, then find its length. First we will solve till here. Since we are supposed to find length, I will write let the length of the rectangle be L. Now with the hint they have given us, perimeter of the rectangle, I will write perimeter of rectangle is equal to 130 centimeter, and perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into bracket L plus B is equal to 130 centimeter, which this 2, if I take that side, it will go that side and it will divide by 130. In the next step, L we are supposed to find, we will write as it is, plus breadth they have given us 30 centimeter, and here 130 divided by 2 will give me 65. Now L we are interested with length, so we will take the breadth, that is plus 30, towards that side, so it will become 65 minus 30, so that will give me length is equal to 35 centimeter. Hope you are understanding. Now since we have found 35 centimeter, let us move forward and see what is the next question. Next question says also find the area of the rectangle. It is easy. Area of rectangle is nothing but L into B. Both the dimensions we are having, B is also there and L we have found. So we will write area of rectangle is equal to L into B. L is 35. So 35 into 3 is 105. So I will write 105 and this 0. So I will get 1050 centimeter square area of rectangle. Hope all of you are understanding. Now moving to the question number 8. Question number 8 says a door is of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in wall. There is one wall. Let us imagine this is a wall. There is one door which is fitted in this wall, which measurement of which is 2 meter length and 1 meter breadth. Let us move forward. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. Now length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. That is, we are talking about the wall. What is the question? Question says find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. We are supposed to find out the cost of whitewashing this wall, not the door. We are only whitewashing the wall. We are supposed to find out how much will be the cost of it. They have given us hint that if 1 meter square is having 20 rupees, then find the cost. Now since we are interested in whitewashing this area excluding the door, definitely we will find the area of this region. But now the question is, do we have the area of this part? Yes, definitely we are having the area of rectangle, but not this portion. So what we will do? We will first take the area of the whole wall including the door. So I will write area of the wall including the door. And what is it? Length into breadth. Length is 4.5 and breadth is 3.6. Now let me solve 4.5 into 3.6. For that I will ignore the decimal points. I will multiply it 45 into 36. 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24, 27, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 and 1 13. 0, 12, 1 carry, 6, 1. Now since we have ignored 2 decimal point, it's our duty to return back. So we will place 2 decimal points after 2 decimal points from the right side. So our answer is 16.20 meter square. It is meter. These are given in meters only. So it is meter square. Now what we will do? We will find the area of the door also. Why? I will explain you afterwards. Area of the door is nothing but area of again rectangle, length into breadth. So 2 into 1 will give me 2 meter square. Now since we are interested in finding this area, that is area of rectangle minus the area of door. So we will, what we are saying, we will do the same. Area of the wall to be whitewashed, area of the wall to be whitewashed is equal to area of the wall including door, all this area, that is area of rectangle, minus area of door. If we remove area of door from the whole wall, we will get this required part. So what is the area of wall including door? It is 16.20 minus area of the door is 2. So I will get the answer as 16.2 minus 2 will give me 14.2 meter square. But the question is not this. We are not supposed to find the area. Why we found area? Because once we find the area, we will multiply it with 20, so we can get the cost, total cost of whitewashing. And for that purpose, what I will do? I will write like unitary method. Now cost of painting 1 meter square they have given us is rupees 20. Here you can see per meter square, that is 1 meter square is 20 rupees. So cost of painting, how much area? 14.2 meter square. 14.2 meter square will give me what? I will cross multiply it. If 1 is in denominator, it is okay. So what we will do? Rupees 20 into 14.20. We will multiply it, and while multiplying again 0, what we will do? We will multiply only this 2, 8, 4, 0 and 0. Since we have removed 2 decimal points, we will return back 2 decimal points. So we will get rupees 284, because after decimal points only zeros are there. So we can directly write rupees 284. So finally we will write, therefore the cost of whitewashing the wall is rupees 284. Hope you have understood this question. So this was all for today's lecture. We will meet with new videos in future. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.